Tired of mixing personal and business money? Open a Wise business account in minutes without leaving your desk. Here's exactly how. I'll walk you through each click, from your profile to entering business details. No fluff, just the steps. All right, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is head over to your Wise account and click on your profile. Now, this is usually that little icon in the top right corner, the one with your initials or maybe a picture if you've uploaded one. Just give that a click. So now that we've got your profile open, you're going to see an option that says Open a Business Account. This is your gateway to separating those personal and business finances once and for all. Go ahead and click on that. Once you land on the next page, you'll see a button that says Get Set Up in Minutes. And the best part? It's not lying. This whole process is designed to be fast. So click that button and let's keep things moving. Now you're going to see a Continue button appear. This is just Wise confirming you want to proceed with setting up your business account. Click Continue. And here's where you define your role. You'll be asked to select whether you're a company employee or a representative. For most people running their own business, you're going to pick company employee or representative. If you're the owner or a designated team member handling the account, this is the right choice. I've personally gone through this exact screen, so I can tell you it's pretty straightforward. Next up, you need to specify your company type. This is where Wise asks what kind of legal structure your business has. Are you a sole proprietor, a limited liability company, a corporation? Take a moment to think about how your business is registered. This part matters because it affects what kind of information they'll need from you later. All right, now choose your specific structure. For this walkthrough, we're selecting General Partnership. If that's what your business is registered as, click on it. If yours is something different, just pick the one that matches your setup. No wrong answers here, as long as it's accurate. And this is the big one. You're now going to enter your business details. This is where you'll fill in your company name, your business address, maybe your tax ID, depending on where you live. Take your time here. Make sure everything is spelled correctly and matches your official documents. I know it's tempting to rush through this part, but trust me, a typo here can slow things down later. Once you've double-checked everything, click Save and Continue. And that's it. Seriously. From a few clicks in your profile to entering those key business details, you've now got the ball rolling on your dedicated Wise business account. No branch visits, no piles of paperwork. Just you, your computer, and a cleaner way to manage your money. Thanks for sticking with me through the process.